Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you'll be doing well and taking good care of yourselves. Today we are going to start the new chapter number 4, dialogue writing. So before starting the dialogue, let us talk about little about dialogue and how we write a dialogue. A dialogue is basically a conversation, one-to-one conversation between two persons. A one-to-one conversation can be more than with two or three persons. A dialogue is a very formal and informal tool, as we had been doing the formal and informal letters. Similarly, we have to keep in mind the language style to which person we are talking to or to which persons we are writing dialogue. For example, if you are writing a dialogue between a teacher and a student, so definitely dialogue will be highly formal because you cannot use the vernacular or ordinary language when you talk to your teacher. And similarly, when you are writing a dialogue between any relatives or between a friend and a friend, so the writing style would be a little informal. But again, according to paper point of view, you cannot write slang in it. And it always starts with the greeting, and after that your topic starts and you gradually address to the topic. You do not directly or in second or third dialogue you do not move to the topic, but gradually you slide or move towards the topic. Let's get started the topic so your concept will be more clear. So this is a dialogue between a teacher and a student. Now we are not given any particular topic, so you can write any topic of your choice if you want to write a dialogue of your own. Teacher, hello Fozia, you're a bit late today. So from here we can see that the dialogue starts the teacher. Fozia, yes madam, I am sorry. Teacher, well, what happened? Fozia, the school bus was right on schedule. It was about to cross the canal bridge when it came to a halt. With a jerk, the tire had gone flat. Fozia is telling कि हमारी जो बस थी वो शेड्यूल के मुताबिक थी, लेकिन इट वॉज अबाउट टू क्रॉस द कैनाल ब्रिज, वो नहर के करीब एक पुल को क्रॉस करने ही वाली थी कि अचानक से रुक गई विद अ जर्क, एक झटके से. द टायर हैड गॉन फ्लैट, और वो रुकी क्यों थी? क्योंकि टायर जो है वो फ्लैट हो गया था या उसकी हवा निकल गई थी. टीचर, आई सी, इट्स नन ऑफ योर फॉल्ट देन. अच्छा, तो ये तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. Now you must have noticed, dear students, that we are using a lot of exclamations and a lot of mood signs in it, just to show that it's a dialogue, and in dialogue we use these kind of sentences in our daily life. Fozia, one thing more, madam, the driver had no jack with him. एक बात और मैडम कि ड्राइवर के पास जो टायर लगाने वाला जैक है वो नहीं था. He waved to other vehicles but they wouldn't stop. उसने बहुत सारी गाड़ियों को हाथ देकर रोकना चाहा लेकिन वो नहीं रुकी. Nobody seemed willing to oblige at this rush hour. कोई भी शख्स जो था वो इतने भीड़ वाले टाइम पे रुकने की या लिहाज करने की हिम्मत नहीं कर रहा था या लिहाज करने के मूड में नहीं था. Teacher, well, what did you do then? You came by another bus, didn't you? तो फिर तुमने क्या किया? क्या तुम किसी दूसरी बस से आई? क्या नहीं आई? Fozia, no madam, we left the bus where it was and walked up to school all the way. हमने बस को वहीं छोड़ा जहाँ वो खड़ी थी और हम स्कूल पैदल चलते हुए आए. Well done, you are a brave girl indeed. Now girls, let us get going with our lesson. और अब हम अपना लेसन जो है वो स्टार्ट करते हैं. Now, throughout this dialogue, you must have noticed that the conversation is highly formal, but at the same time, a lot of exclamations and moods have been used by the teacher, from where you can understand that where teacher is getting surprised, where teacher is getting happy, where teacher is getting a little suspicious. So through exclamation words or exclamatory words, you get the idea of the moods of the person. So this is the difference between an ordinary writing and a dialogue. dialogue that we also have to inculcate the moods in it through exclamatory words. So that is it for today. We'll be starting inshallah our next dialogue tomorrow. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.